Hello my dear student, today I start exercise 3.3 which is based on substitution method. In previous video we were study about graphical method. So now we study about substitution method. So I take first question of your exercise 3.3 is x plus y equal 14 and y minus 4 equal 4. So what we do, we take this is our equation first and this is our equation second. So what we do, from equation first, what our equation first, x plus y equal 14. So here we can find value of x in term of y or value of y in term of x. So we find value of x in term of y, it means 14 minus y. What we do, we find value of x in term of y from equation first. This value of x we put in equation second. So putting value of x in equation second, we get what we get. Equation second, what is x? So x is what? 14 minus y minus this y is equal 4. So minus 2y symbol and 4 minus 14. So minus 2y equal minus 10. So y equal minus 10 by minus 2. It means y equal 5. Okay. This is our equation third. So this value of y we put in this equation, then we get value of x. So what we do? Put y equal 5 in equation third. Equation third, so x equal 14 minus 5, it means x equal 9. That is x equal 9 and y equal 5 is our solution by using substitution method. Now take another question of your exercise. Question number second. Second is what? S minus t equal 3, then s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal 6. So what we do? First let this is our equation first and this our equation second. So what we do from equation first? From equation first, from s minus t equal 3. So we find the value of s in term of t. So what we do? S equal 3 plus 2. Okay. So this is our equation third. This value of s we put in equation second. So putting value of s in equation second. Okay. So equation second is this. So s is what? 3 plus t upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal 6. Okay. So we take LCM of 2 and 3, we get 6. So we multiply 2 by this whole equation and 3 by t, okay, equal 6. Now this is our LCM is 6 and 2 3s are 6 plus 2 का multiply t से करेंगे 2t plus 3t equal 6. So 6 plus 2t plus 3t is 5t and this multiply this, what we get? 36. So 5t equal 36 minus 6. So 5t equal 30. So t equal 30 by 5. It means t equal 6. So this value of t we put in equation 3, we get value of s. Okay. So put t equals 6 in equation third. So s equal 3 plus 6, so s equal 9. That is s equal 9 and t equal 6 is our solution by using substitution method. Now similarly you do third question. Now I take question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Question number 4 is 0.2 x plus 0.3y equal 1.3 and 0.4 x plus 0.55 equal 2.3. So how we solve this equation? So first we convert into simple integer linear form. Okay, it means first we terminate these points. Okay, so what we do, we multiply this equation, whole equation by 10 and this whole equation by 10. Okay, so if we multiply 10 by this whole equation, so we get 2x plus 3y equal 13. This is our equation first. And what second is 4x plus 5y equal 20. Now we do following previous process for solve this question. So what we do from equation first is 2x plus 3y equal 13. Now we find value of x in term of y. So what we do, 2x equal 13 minus 3y. So x equal 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay. So this value of x we put in equation second. So we write putting value of x in equation second. This is our equation third. So what is our equation second? Equation second is 4. Multiply x. X is what? 13 minus 3y by 2. Plus 5y equal 23. So 2 1 are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we multiply 2 by this bracket. Okay. So 2 multiply 13 we get 26. Now 2 multiply 3y we get 6y plus 5y equal 23. So minus 6y plus 5y we get minus y and 23 minus this 26 is in we shift RHS. Okay. So what we get, minus y equal minus 3, it means y equal 3. So this put this y equal 3 in equation 3, so we get value of x. So put y equal 3 in equation third. Okay. So what we get, x equal 13 minus 3 into 3, value of y is what? 3 upon 2. So x equal 13 minus 13 minus 9 upon 2. So x equal 4 upon 2, it means x equal 2. That is x equal 2 and y equal 3 is our solution by using substitution method. Okay. Thank you.